Meaning of franchise.
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 Franchise. Franchise refers to a business model in which a company allows another party, the franchisee, to use its trademark and business system in exchange for fees and royalties. In this model, the franchisee is required to follow the franchisor's guidelines and standards. Franchising has become a popular way for entrepreneurs to start their own businesses without having to create a new brand from scratch. Successful franchises can offer benefits such as established brand recognition, support from the franchisor, and access to a proven business model.